I thought it would be a nice thing we could do together. We both retired last year, and it's been a bit of an adjustment. I just never knew. I mean, we've been married 40 years, and he's never shown any signs whatsoever of addictive behaviors.
Dogs here in the corner. 3 knobs, 1 socket. Dogs here in the corner. 3 knobs, 1 socket. Dogs here in the corner.
You need me to repeat the question?
What?
The first puzzle we worked on together was called Reader's Paradise. It was challenging. Really. I know that sounds silly. We worked on it together at first, and then George started working on his own more and more. I went to visit my sisters for an afternoon, and when I got back, it was done. We must have had 800 pieces left. Since then, he's been a different person, unrecognizable.
How many puzzles has he done since?
Hundreds. See these sheds? They're full. He's obsessed, consumed. We haven't had a conversation in days. He comes to bed at 2 or 3 in the morning. He's not present at meals. We're strangers. What would you do?
I don't.
Dogs here in the corner. 3 knobs, 1 socket. Dogs in the corner. 3 knobs.
Honey? You all right? Sweetheart, can you call 911? Sweetheart, honey.